Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello, happy morning to all of you. All those who have joined early, thank you. And it's just 10:30, a little, yeah. So we'll wait for about 2 minutes and then we can start. So I hope you'll have been doing the activities. I've had some responses from some people who are here. And in the end, we'll have some time for question and answer. So still, if you want to ask any questions, please feel free to ask. Okay, so let me begin now, and then the others can join and they can follow from where they have joined. So today is the Dream Building Blueprint Quest and live webinar. So the quest is a 14-day quest, and we began it with a 3-day boot camp. So all of you are the boot campers, and this webinar is exclusively for the boot campers. So I am hoping that you have gone through the activities and there is something that you have gained in these 3 days. So the first thing that we are for today's topic is how to stop procrastinating, okay, and how to actually start making your dreams come true. So this is something that I had done a survey, and there were lots of people who told me that they have goals, they set up goals, they have dreams to do so many things, but then they start and in about, like, say, a week, for some people, they go on for a month or two, and then again they start, they cannot do it, and then they slow down, and then finally they come to, back to square one. So the whole thing is about why do we procrastinate? Procrastination, okay? A procrastination નો meaning શું છે કે આપણે આમ always આપણે delay કરીએ છે. આપણે સોચીએ તો છે, we think about something, we want to do something, but finally what happens is we just, are overwhelmed, okay? Overwhelmed, again, what does overwhelmed mean? That આપણે એમ થાય છે કે આપણે લાઈફમાં ઘણું કરવાનું છે, આપણે ઘણા busy છે, okay? We make busyness our business, okay? So we say that, we have to do this. I'm a housewife, I have to look after my children, I am doing some other business also. So, there's overwhelm, okay? So then when there's overwhelm, there's no focus, and when there's no focus, then you give up on your dreams. And the last thing is demotivation, okay? So when you have procrastinated, when you have become overwhelmed by your own life, then you become demotivated, and there will be many people around you, okay? Tamara husband hase, tamara children hase, your friends, they will laugh at you and they say, you have big dreams, you're just a big dreamer, you want to achieve things that you can never achieve, and then they will demotivate you. So even though you try to do something, okay, you get these 3 things come in your way, and then you wonder why you are not doing, what you had planned to do. So let me talk about this one thing first. It's about our mind, okay? We have the subconscious mind and the conscious mind. So our subconscious mind is full of, thoughts. Our thoughts are set. There's a paradigm. So apna thoughts itla બધા હોય છે કે from the beginning, from childhood, we are taught to be careful. We are taught to look out for danger. And when we have certain experiences, those experiences stay with us. And when we try to do something, we try to have a dream, or we try to think that, I'm going to do this, in 2010 or 2000, whenever you set 2020, you had made goals. But of course, 2020 was a different year for all of us. For some, it became like a blessing in disguise. So ઘણા એમાં આગળ વધી ગયા. Okay, all those who started their e-commerce business, they actually did really, they are doing well. Okay, but those who did not and stayed offline and were laid off, for them, it's still a big challenge. So I am here to actually take you out of your procrastination, your overwhelm, and your demotivation, and you get you on the right track so that you can achieve what you have aimed for. So in these past 3 days, okay, you have worked on your goal setting. You have visualized what you want in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. You have written it down. And also you have looked at your end goal, your purpose in life. What do you want? Okay. Say if you are in the healthness and health and fitness. Okay. So if you are a coach there, or if are a nutritionist, or so what do you want? So you want people to live healthy lives. So that is your ultimate purpose. Okay. And then your goal would be, to have courses, to run courses, or to have your own clinic. Okay, so that is something for a nutritionist and a dietitian. So like that, each one of us has our own strengths. So let us work on our strengths. What can I do to change something in the lives of people? Okay. So each one must have, like if you had looked at day 3 and if you looked at the purpose, you have kind of thought about what you want to do. So now people actually, they buy many courses where they want to, earn quick money. Okay, how to, run FB ads so that I can, improve my business, or how can I, even for losing weight. Okay, how can I lose weight in 8 weeks, or then to learn some new skills. Okay, like learning how to maybe doing an NLP course, or doing some courses. Okay, so you think that, okay, if I do this course, I'll be able to earn money. So naturally everybody wants to earn money, and that's why people invest in those kind of courses where you see a tangible result. Okay, and it's true, we all want to see a tangible result. So I'm learning baking because I want to start, like even a small home based baking business. Or I'm learning sewing, so I've invested, in a sewing course because I want to sew, and then I want to get clients like that. Okay. So people invest in tangible courses because they think that, I can earn money. But before you can invest in tangible courses, you have to invest in yourself. Because only if you transform yourself, if you transform your thoughts, then you will be able to do the things that you have learned from that particular course. Otherwise, even that course you're not going to finish. Okay. So that's why this self transformation, looking into yourself, okay, seeing where you can improve, okay, seeing how you can stop your procrastination, seeing how you can get motivated, okay, to do the things that you are actually wanting to do, so that you can have a good life. You can have a life where you have abundance in finance, abundance in health, in your relationships. Okay, so we all want that to happen in our lives. So those are tangible. Okay, but like when you say like self apne self love vaste, self transformation, okay, something like this, like what is there in dream building? Okay, what is, I mean, what is there in my setting goals? Why should I have a mentor for, setting my goals? Or why should I have a mentor for, creating a dream building blueprint? You know what a blueprint is? Huh? Blueprint is like a map, okay, where, you are guided. It's like a map. So you are guided by that map to do the things that you want to do. So that is where, this is very important. Investing in yourself is very important. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, have that in mind, because if you don't invest in yourself, then all your other investments are going to go waste. Okay, so let us begin now with how to overcome procrastination, overwhelm, and demotivation. Okay, so that you can gain instant clarity on what you really want in life. And of course, when you have, mastered these, then you can have everything that you want in life. So let us discuss 3 secrets to accelerate your dream building blueprint process. Okay. So to accelerate means to, start it and get it going, okay, without stopping and without, then coming back to square one. So how are we going to do it? So what is the first secret? Any guesses? Yeah. So create with clarity. Okay. We have done this in the boot camp also. I've been talking about this very often because this is something that relates to the law of abundance. If you can create with clarity, okay, if you know what you want, and if you can ask for that, then the universe is ready to give it to you. Okay. But first of all, I told you that we have to shift our paradigm. Okay. All the thoughts that we have, okay, all the thoughts that our brain has been, neuro wired. Okay. We have done that in the first activity also, how our brains have, these mental faculties where our thoughts have been, they're stored. So we have to, especially the ones where we are going to, apply for our goal setting, for our dream building. Because when we were a child, like, remember when you are children, okay, you have seen children, when you ask children, what do you want to become when you are big? So they would just say, I want to be an astronaut, I want to be a pilot. So at that time, they are not going to think whether, my father is going to have the money to send me to, you know, an aeronautic school, or, whether will it be possible for me to do this. Then they don't think like that. They just, they are dreamers and they dream. But as they grow up, the society, their parents, their teachers, they have a big influence on them. And what are they saying? They're saying that no, you will not be able to do this. The moment, they try to, like, sometimes they draw pictures of what they want to become, and then, their teachers will laugh or their parents will laugh. Okay, you want to become an astronaut? Okay, just don't dream, even don't dream about it. Okay, so the parents have just, shattered the child's dream. So, and that has stayed in your memory. Okay, that statement of your parent, your teacher, or your friends who laughed at you have stayed in your memory. So that is just one example that I'm giving you. Like that, those things have stayed in your mindset and they have become your paradigm. So now, if you want to do something which is, okay, something that you feel is, you had felt is beyond your capacity to even dream of, okay, be bold enough. I'm saying be bold enough to dream it, to think about it, to write it down, make it your goal, make it your end goal, and then work towards it. So you will need to shift your paradigm. your brain will then start questioning you. Okay, do you really want to do this? Are you ready for this? Okay, so your thoughts are going to actually, they are going to really, they are going to kind of, have all these arguments with you. Okay? The moment you take your pen and and start writing your goals, the moment you start writing your dreams, okay, you are going to get all these thoughts. Okay, so what are you going to do? The first secret is that you are going to be clear that I am going to create what I want to create, and stop thinking the thoughts that are that you are thinking. Okay, these are the negative thoughts that are stopping you from doing the things that you want to do. Okay, now let's move on to the next secret. Are you ready for the next secret then? So now you stop thinking about the negative thoughts that are trying to stop you from shifting your paradigm. Yeah. So, secret number 2, decline to stay discouraged. Okay. So now that you have made up your mind that you want to do something, okay, your conscious mind is all geared up. Okay, that you have to actually achieve your goals. You have made your end goal. You have kind of slotted it all into like small achievable goals. Okay, but here once again, there's something that's going to stop you. Okay, there you will feel very uncomfortable. People around you might start looking at you and saying that, what are you doing? I mean, this is too big for you. Are you going to actually invest this much time and money into this business? Okay, or they'll say, really, are you going to lose all weight like that? Okay, so they'll ask you questions. Your friends, there'll be very skeptical people. Your maybe your parents, or your husband, or your siblings. Okay, so they will try to discourage you from achieving your wildest dream, achieving your biggest dream, or achieving the goal that you have set. Okay? So decline to stay discouraged. Okay? Don't bother about what other people are talking. Don't bother about what they are trying to say to you. Okay, you have a fixed mindset. Be clear on what you want. Ask the universe for what you want. Focus on what you want. I've done the visualization activity with you all. In the boot camp, you have visualized what you want, what you see yourself to be in a year's time. So keep on doing those visualization activities. Keep on doing your mindfulness activities. Manifest what you want. And okay, whenever people try to discourage you, or when they come and when they say that you have, or you yourself will feel discouraged by so many, you'll be overwhelmed. Okay, I have to do so much, my goodness, I have to go to work, I have to kind of if you're if you're a working mother, you might find so many excuses for not completing the course that you have actually bought. So people buy courses. Okay, uh, it's so common. And sometimes even it has happened to me earlier. It's so common that we invest money in a course so that we can we will be able to earn more money, or we will have we will be improving our skills. And then we kind of attend 1, 2, 3 classes, and by the time the fourth class, we are kind of we just give up, thinking that we will not be able to do it. And there are so many reasons. Everybody around us will find a reason for us to not continue. So my advice here is that stop being discouraged by your own self and by all the people around you. Okay. And then comes the main part, okay? Stop being in your comfort zone. Okay. So we love to be in our comfort zones. Okay. Just coming out of the comfort zone is uh, is the most important thing. So we have actually we have battled with our thoughts. We have battled with people discouraging us, and now we have to actually come out of our comfort zone and go out there to achieve our dream. So isn't that really nice? That's I thought that this is these three secrets. If we can actually master these three things in our life, then we can achieve anything that we want to. And to do this, we actually have to practice. Just like, you go to, if you want to lose weight, you have to practice, okay? You have to do the things that your dietitian tells you, okay? If you are going to the gym, you have to do the training that your trainer gives you, okay? And only then you can actually, achieve the end goal. So in everything that you do, in every goal that you set, in every dream that you're dreaming, I really want you to uh, think about these three things, okay? So how are you going to stop procrastination? How are you going to deal with overwhelm and demotivation? Okay? So these are the three secrets, okay? So if you can master these three secrets, you will be well on your way to achieving your dreams. And so if you're ready to experience this with me, and how to kind of apply these secrets and move on, I'm inviting all my boot campers to upgrade yourself to become a gold member in my program. And in these next 10 days, we will be looking at four main things in our life. Okay, we will be looking at our health, we'll be looking at our financial status, we'll be looking at our relationships, and we'll be looking at our spiritual practices. Okay, and in each of these spaces, in each of these sets, okay, we are going to set our mindset in such a way that we can become abundant in all areas of our life. And then we have this holistic kind of development, a holistic abundance in our life to achieve what we want. Because if we are trying to, just improve on our health, okay, then the other, what happens to our relationships? Sometimes our relationships become strained. Sometimes, we are not financially kind of, there. So let us, work on all these four categories in our life and achieve the dreams that we want to achieve. So if you are ready to become a gold member, it's only $39 or 2,900 Indian rupees. So actually this course is very, very pricey, but as you are my dream builders, you have joined my boot camp, and I have a special connection with you. So you can register. I'll be sending you the link, and I would really want to see you achieve wonderful things in your life. So be there, join the course, and achieve wonderful things. Achieve an extraordinary life, a life that you desire. Just don't be like a rudderless ship being blown around in the sea. Don't let that be you in 2021. It's time to take control. Put the stake in the ground. It's time to map out your dream building blueprint, because what you focus on, you get. So register now The link will be sent in the group, and I would really love you to have registered and have you with me in the next 10 days so that you can make your life from, okay, you are living a good life, but I want you to live an exponential life, a life which is full of abundance, not only financial abundance, but abundance which takes you in all areas of your life. Okay. It is abundance in lovely relationships, abundance in your health, okay, being spiritual, and achieving everything that you want in life. So I will sign off now. Rashida, Life, Abdul Hussain, signing off from Life Skill Sarandeep. And if you have any questions, you can actually put them on the group, and we will answer those questions in the group. Okay.